Well, hello there, Tom Green coming back at you with some experience design goodness. And today's XD goodness is color. I'm not a huge fan of how you pick color in this application, but then again, it is a public preview, so I suspect this will be dealt with in a future update. But for now, we got what we got, so let's figure out how to deal with it. So what I've got here is a circle, and I want to fill it with a color, and you get all kinds of choices here. And what you do is you click a color chip and the color picker opens. And you notice you get quite a few color pickers here. They're all pretty interesting. I do not know why anybody would choose a colored pencil, but hey, who am I? One of the things that I noticed though is you get all kinds of little sliders in here, which is good, but we got to stay with RGB. But this little gear icon here will actually change to a color system. So be aware of that one, and it will impact what you do. The one you probably want to use is right down here at the bottom, the sRGB. Okay, so let's deal with picking color. So one of the things you can do is you can come over to the color wheel here and just pick a color, and then you notice as you roll over it, your selected object changes color. Another way that you can do it is if you want really exact color, use the eyedropper. And you can come over and just over on an image, find a color you want and away you go. Or you can choose a color right here and that color will come in as well. So the color picker and eyedropper tool are a dynamite combination for precise color. All right, here's another thing that you can do. If you come over to the RGB sliders, you can get your hex colors. They're down at the bottom here, and you can deal with those. But if you want to use precise color or have a series of colors that you've chosen, especially if you're working with material design, here's a little site I use to pick colors. So I'm just going to pop over to my browser here, and it is materialpalette.com. Now, what I like about this is that working with material design, you get to pick a couple of colors. So I'm going to go with indigo, and we'll say, oh, amber. And it shows me what it will look like with those colors. There's my dark primary. There's my primary. The light primary is not visible here. But you get all your colors, and there's the accent color, which is the FAB. And let's just say I want to add the accent color to my XD project. I can break out a notebook and write down FFC107, or even better, just click on the color, and you can see it's copied to your clipboard. And if I return back to XD and open up the color picker, I can just select the hex color and just paste whatever's in there, and there's my color. Now, another thing that you can do is if you want to keep reusing these colors, you can just add them to your palette. So you just grab the chip and just drop it in, and there you go. That's your color. So there you go. There's a number of ways of using color in XD, all kinds of choice available to you. Hopefully this will improve over time. One of the preferred methods I would use would be using the eyedropper. And if you're looking to pick colors, I really recommend the material palette from our friends at this site here. Let me just get over there. Right here, Material Up. And they got all kinds of tools, but there you go. That's picking color in Adobe XD. Have fun.